to Vasisthasana. On your next inhalation, rock your shoulders forward over your wrists. Now walk your feet forward enough until you get on the balls of your feet and really imprint this plank. Vasisthasana is side plank. Now there's no need to move your hands, and Jess has already adjusted her feet. You would just walk your feet closer together about an inch. Don't move your hands. Press into your hands, spread your shoulder blades, but also reach your sternum forward. Take an inhale. And as you exhale, roll onto the outer edge of your right foot. Try to get the entire sole of your foot to the floor as you reach your left arm up to the ceiling. Vasisthasana. And so basically the right outer hip, gluteus medius, is really engaged to lift the hips. Now if this is too deep, you would raise your left leg, plant the foot in front of you with your toes pointing straight forward, and you still find that lift of the hips. Get the entire sole of your right foot to the mat so you can find more lift of the hips, engaging gluteus medius on the right side even more. Now reach your sternum forward away from your navel, but keep your front ribs soft. Take another cycle of breath here. As you exhale, bring your left hand down. Come back to plank position. Feet hips distance apart. Take an inhale. Exhale, chaturanga. Catch yourselves elbow height. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, upward facing. Exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Again, inhale, rock forward, plank position. Walk your feet in enough until you're on the balls of your feet. Now step your feet an inch closer together. Don't move your hands. Roll onto the outer edge of your left foot this time and stack your right foot on top. Reach your right arm up to the ceiling. So you can do this or the modified version, but in whatever position you're in, try to get the sole of the bottom foot to the floor so that you can lift the hips more. Root down into your bottom hand, rebound and lift up through your fingertips. Root down into the sole of your foot to rebound and lift the hips. Vasisthasana, side plank. Take another cycle of breath. And as you exhale, bring your right hand down.